Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. Today our group will discuss about our PBT problem-based test in subject open source server administrator. My group member is me, Muhammad Haikal bin Othman, my friend Muhammad Syafiq Akmal bin Omar, Muhammad Alif Najmi bin Sabarudin, and Muhammad Aiman Haikal bin Norazamzury. And I will start with the introduction. 1.1 project description. The background for this project is we have been tasked as IT administrator with setting a file sharing service for all of the PC in the office. The organization requires a new file sharing solution that can address this challenge because the present system is not dependable, secure or cost effective. The following tasks are included in the project to meet this requirement. First, identifying the best open source file sharing solution for the organization. The IT administrator will need to explore and access numerous open source file sharing options. For all employees, the solution should be secure, scalable, and easy to use. And I will pass to Aiman Haikal. Wait.
Okay, so next is yeah. Okay, so next is the second, configuring the file sharing service. Once the appropriate open source solution has been found, the network IT administrator must configure the file sharing service using a virtual machine. The IT administrator must configure the virtual machine with the necessary software and hardware specs, install the open source solution, and customize it to meet the needs of the organization. Third, demonstrating the setup and functioning of the file sharing service. The IT administrator must explain the functionality of the file sharing service as well as how it may be accessed, and utilized by employees. The file sharing service output, such as file sharing logs, must also be supplied. Fourth, and lastly, creating suitable documentation. The IT administrators must document the proposed solutions and offer it to the company owner. The documentation should define the solution benefits and hazards as well as the processes necessary to configure the system and show its functionality. Next, I will pass it to my fellow friend Alif Najmi.
Okay, thank you for my Haikal. Next is 1.2 step of the project. For step 1 is install to open source terminal and a virtual machine. As you can see, we install first is server and the second is client 1. Okay, next. Okay, next, check if config on the server and client. Okay, and at server, we type if config and we can see the input. For example, is IP address for server, and at client, do the same command, and you can see the IP address for client. Okay, next is check version and install NFS on client. For install, we use command yes2 -i NFS -client and rpm-q and nfs-client. Okay, next. Step 2, create test file on the client and view the file in the server terminal. Okay, first, we create the file in the client. We use command task /data client /test1 underscore client.txt, and we view in the server terminal. Use command ls-l. Okay, next is step 3. Modify the file sharing access mode for both terminal so that the file can be accessed in the server terminal. As you can see, this is our command used in client 1 to modify the file sharing access mode. Okay, next, I want to pass to Muhammad Syafiq Akmal.
Thank you, Muhamad and Najmi. My name is Akmal and I will be explain about step 4. Step 4 is a perform modification in one of the file using the server terminal. You can see we enter the server terminal and type a command slash data server 10.70.102.120.102 is a client IP. RW sync no no root squash no subtree and check. This we a command using WQ to exit. Then we can see, and after that we use a command cd make the data server vi etc.export that we enter the command and cat etc export. We can see the output is display, and after that we are using a command export tfs dash a. Next. Step 5 is a verify the file by viewing the file in both terminal. You can see we are using a CD data client and we are using a command ls-l to see the root and directory that we create. Next. And last is a conclusion. Finally, implementing an open software sharing service and can provide an organization with a dependable, safe, and cost-effective means to share data among personnel. The IT administrator can design and customize the solution to match the specific needs of the organization by employing a virtual machine. Proper documentation of the proposed solution on the setup process can aid in presenting the solution on the company owner and ensuring the everyone in the organization understand the solution benefit and hazard. Overall, this project has the potential to increase staff productivity and collaboration while decreasing organizational expenses. That's all for my group and me. Thank you.